What's up guys, welcome to another Android tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to live stream your gameplay on Facebook, YouTube or others platform from your Android phone or tab. So let's get started.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
First of all, you need to download an application from Play Store. So open your Play Store and search for DU Recorder. Then install it. After downloading the application, open it. Then give it the necessary permission. The application is showing a demo. Just skip it. Tap on live. Then select the platform you want to go live on. I want to go live on Facebook, but you can go live on YouTube or others platforms. Log into Facebook. If you are already logged in, then press OK. Type a title here, then allow all the permission. Now you are on live. Start playing the game now. Here you can see my gameplay is live streaming online. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a like, comment below and don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching guys.